Alright. Hello everybody. It is Harley from the Fran Play, and today... What, baby? You are helping me. You're being such an awesome, beautiful helper today. Can I have a high five? Alright. Yeah. You wanna get Daddy a bottle of water? Please. Okay, so, one second, I gotta take this call. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm gonna grab a bottle of water. jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Okay, everybody, welcome back. Yeah, welcome to the live stream. My name is Harley from the Fran Play, and today we're going to be doing some more Odin project. Yeah. I didn't realize I had a... Probably could have waited, huh? Oh, they're almost done. Cannot believe myself right now. Okay, so while that's going, let's go ahead and open Google. Hi. So, okay, so yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before, we started going over some more CSS, I believe. Okay, there's Google Chrome updates. But yeah, we're going over, oh look at that, we're 57% complete. Okay, yeah, we're going over alignment. Oh, let me open up my notes. Splish, splash, splish, splash, blue. Oh, excuse me. Muddy puddles. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Okay, I want to say we went over... Let's actually go look. Sometimes I don't remember. It was a long day at work yesterday, so... let's see... Most recent one. This one? Yeah, that one. Let's mute it real fast. Okay. I think we're on. I just want to make sure where we're at. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Aligning items in a Flex container. There we go. So we're still reading through this. I don't think we've finished. I think we got about halfway through. And I'm not gonna reread the whole thing. No. We're under the group Flexbox for our notes. Okay. So anyway, let's go ahead and close that. And cool. Alright, we're done there. So we're about... Okay, we were messing with... I want to say... Okay, because we made it go... Oh yeah, we messed with this one. Okay, because we added changes to first child. So let's go ahead and reread this one, and then we'll keep going. And let's see where we are on our notes. Described in the spec as per packing flex lines. Controls alignment of an individual flex item on the... okay, so we were learning about align self and align content. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's start here. Yeah, I'm still on Flex. I'm sure I can just go through this already. Okay, yeah, let's try you doing the exercise. I think I've had enough. Is that Cuckoo Loco, baby? What is she doing? Is she dancing? Is she jumping down and up and down in muddy puddles? Okay, yeah, let's just try going to do these projects. Hi there, psychos. How you doing?
I'm in new shoes.
Wow, are those pretty new pink shoes? Okay, we're gonna CD into our repos. Oh no. Yeah.
And a new bow.
And let's list
New bow.
a new bow. You want a new bow?
Huh?
Oh, and we're going to CD into our CSS exercises. The flex exercises are pretty fun, but some of them got my head hurting. Well, we're about to find out, aren't we? How far are you right now, Psychos? No. Oh, thank you, Hypers. I just checked. You're gonna fly away, Kukuloko. Why? Nope. Oops. Let me see. Just finished the flex exercises. Oh, cool. So we're about the same pace. Huh?
What's that noise?
I don't know. It sounded maybe like Tina. Okay, well, let me catch up then.
That's no silk.
Alright.
No bow.
You're gonna get a new bow. You got bows in your drawer. And you got bows on your hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and... Oh, wait. I forgot. I wanted to go into a specific one. Right. And flex. CD flex. This one we're gonna open. This one we're gonna close. Wow, the bow's so pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna work on flex center. So let's add another one of these. Exit out of that. Alright, flex center. Wow, Kukuloka has a pretty new bow. Okay, so we're gonna have a solution page opened up, right? Oh, whoops, desired outcome, I mean. So that's what we want, center this div. And this is gonna be our index. This is what we have. You got what, baby? Oh, you got clickety-clack shoes. That is so cool. Okay, so we don't need to mess with the CSS. Or actually, let's take a look. What do we have? Okay, so we have the div container, and then we have the div box. And we need to add... Whoa! We're gonna make this a display of flex.
I like Kukuloka.
You like Kukuloka? And we'll make... Align items center, and we'll give this a display of flex, I think. Oh, oops, I can't even type. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. What am I thinking? What am I thinking here? Oh. Oops. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, wrong thing. Okay. Okay, there we go. And we'll give this a flex. I want to remember here. Okay, so I don't have to. It's just. There we go. Sorry. Okay, display flex, and then we'll align center, and then we'll justify content center. Okay, that should be it right there. Boom. So now let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, we didn't even read the README. Is the red div centered? Did you only use Flexbox to center? Well, we're about to find out. Open this up. And a different side. Close that. Okay. Here's the best practice. Oh, okay, gotcha. So we only changed. We added display flex, align items, and justify content. So we aligned it vertically, and we aligned it horizontally to both of them to be the center. And that should be good. So we're good there. So that was cool. Now we're going to close this one and work on flex header. So let's change this one out for that. And we're going to change the desired outcome. Oh, there's two. Okay, well, let's do narrow. And no, we don't need that. We just want this one. Okay, close that. And that one, we don't need that no more. Okay. So we have a header div, and then we have a left links 1, 2, 3 on one side, and it has a display of flex. Okay. Let's go to our CSS. Okay, so header. Oh yeah, what does it look like now? So we're all going like that. So the header is the main one, so we need to add a display of flex. It's going to be our first thing. Save it. Okay, so we're good there. Now we want to, or maybe we need to do. Wait, I spelled that wrong. Alright, inline block, right? But no, we want to use flex, so display flex, and then display, or sorry, justify content, space between. Okay. Flex direction needs to go row. Okay, maybe that's going to be left links. Let's read that readme real fast. Use Flexbox rules to create this very common web page header. Okay, there is a space between. Oh yeah, let's. Hopefully that's not too loud for y'all. I need my coffee. I found this foundation path fairly straightforward, although I warn you, this calculator is beating my. Oh, sorry, Hypers. I didn't see that message because it blocked it because of the curse words, but dude, and that's in the JavaScript portion, right? Hypers. Okay. There's space between all the items and the edge of the header. Oh, space between and oh shoot. Oh no, what did I do? What did I do? No, I better not have deleted anything. Okay. I don't know what I did. Alright. I forgot what it was. Oh man. What's what, baby?
What's that noise?
What noise?
What noise? What's that, Daddy? What's that, Daddy?
Space around and hold on, baby. Daddy's looking up something. Space around in between CSS.
Daddy!
What? What, baby? Split between blim, blim, blim. Oh, okay. It was equal space, I believe. Right? Oh no. Dang. I'm trying to remember what the space evenly. There we go. I should have just done that and typed it. Okay, save that. Okay. Right? Oh. Well, that's what it said, right, in the README? It does not use floats, inline blocks, or absolute positioning. There is space between all the items and the edge of the header. Specific pixel amount doesn't matter here. Logo is centered vertically and horizontally. Okay. What did trying to remember here. Flex wrap. Flex flow. Okay, we're gonna just do space between, right? Okay, and we'll keep it like that. And then we're going to do align items, center. Oh, I thought I hit it. Center and can I add multiple? We'll do that. Or maybe these have to have. Flex of auto. No. Or maybe okay. So what if we commented this out? Will that make a difference? It will not. So we just had to make these go into flex. Okay. So now we need to add justify content space around or space between maybe. What, baby? It's just a truck outside. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Logo does the wide look like? Okay, so we need to have spacing spacing between those and those. Okay, let's remove that. Right? What if we remove... Oh no. That will have to stay. What if we do flex auto right in here? No? Okay. So let's go ahead and go back and let's do display flex. Okay, so that's gonna put it back like that. Right? But instead of space between, space around. Actually, let's just center, right? Oh, okay. So no, we don't want those centered like that. And why is that? Okay. You gotta think, okay, bro, I started the Odin project yesterday. Oh, nice. You gotta think where you're applying the displays. For example, UL is the whole list, not the items itself. Okay, so that's why I give that a display, a flex. Or what if I made it like this? And instead of that, I change it to... No, like, oops. Oh. And so since that would be apparent, that means I would need to give it a display, a flex as well. Right? It's a little tough. Let me go back. Okay, there's a space between all items and the edge of the header. Specific pixels doesn't matter here. Logo is centered vertically and horizontally. So logo well, there's already a property for the items in the list right under the one you're editing. Oh. Okay. Gotcha. Oh. Well, there's already a property for the items in the list right under the one you're editing. Okay, hold on. Let's just go ahead and let's reset everything, right? Okay. We'll start from the very beginning. So first in the header, which is our main div, we're going to give that a display of flex. Oh. Okay. Which should now make our items go like that. Oh, where's my notes? Okay. So, flex 1 is given to an item, flex shorthand. Okay. Alignment. Into the parent. Okay. By content space between. Okay. Now, flex. You were fine with that, with what you were doing before, but I'll shut up now because I might ruin the process of knowledge for you. No, you're not ruining nothing. If anything, I appreciate the help, actually. And, Sido, how do you, feel about the Odin project so far? I know it's a lot of information. We're gonna do row. Right? Because what, baby?
I mean, share.
Well, now make justify content value instead of. Oh, I didn't save, did I? Flex direction. Row. Okay, hold on. Just cut that. Okay. Because I'm trying to think, because the UL is a parent and it houses the list items. So when we display flex, because I thought, okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, so that works. For the logo, so we need to also align the items to the center. Okay, and that seems pretty good. And can we add another justify? We can. But we want to just... What, baby? Oh, you want me to help you? You want... Okay, Daddy will put Peppa in the chair for you. Ready? Here she goes. You want to go put her down in her house? Here. You want to eat? Okay, go give Peppa some food. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's... I want to go back. Give me a second. Oh. Axis. Growing, shrinking. Alignment. No, I have a lot of information on alignment. I think I should go back to that first one. Okay, that's the line items. So 2-axis. We can make it a column. Flex direction. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Display of flex. Oh, it definitely. Oh yeah, she's definitely going through it and helping me. I couldn't do it without her help. Okay. There's space between all the items and the edge of the header. So we're gonna do space. There was one. Let me see here. Okay. Display of flex, and then we're going to justify content flex start. Streaming the whole learning process seems a good way to learn and remember things, honestly. Oh yeah, it's just that I had a long day yesterday and my brain was too focused on the long day, so I don't remember really what I read, to be honest, and it's actually bothering me right now, just a little bit. Okay, so display of flex. Maybe? No. Okay, we might have to actually. God dang it. Okay, when working with Flexbox, you need to think in two terms, or in terms of 2-axis: the main axis and the cross axis. The main axis is defined by the flex direction. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do flex direction row. Okay, maybe that won't fix anything, but display flex. Damn. Okay. Okay, we're going to see what that does. Nothing. You're good. I took some time to figure it out too. The solutions are pretty simple. You just need to get the grasp of it. Dang. And I don't like cheating, you know? I'm not gonna go and look, so that's wrong. Okay. Let's do... What if we do... flex start and center. But I think we can pipe commands on here. I'm not too sure. But let's try it. Okay. What if we do? A line. So. Okay. Yeah, just look at the solution once you finish it. Okay. So flex direction. Okay, we're ready. What did I just do? Okay, let's not. Okay, let's center this instead. Right? Okay. But don't overthink this one. Just go through the self-check and you'll most likely be done. There's a space between all items. Logo is centered vertically and horizontally. Okay, there's a space between all items and the edge. Okay. Alright, you're right. Let's do that. So let's do justify content. Oh. Space between. Okay. Alright, so we'll do that. And there's some space on the edge, but this one doesn't. We'll have to fix that in a little bit. You know what? Let me look at this. Value for space between and around CSS. Center, space around, space evenly. Okay. That's right. Okay. So that works, right? A little bit. But now we need some space in between these. Okay, so we'll do justify content space evenly. Okay, so that doesn't change anything. Logo is okay. Let's worry about this. Logo is centered. Do I need help? Oh, yummy.
I want to eat some.
Oh, eat some. Okay, logo is centered vertically and horizontally. Okay, we have our logo. Let's give it flex justify content. Nope. Okay. Whoops. Because, right, it's supposed to be bigger than that. Okay. Okay, let's not worry about that then. Logo is centered vertically and horizontally. List items are horizontal and are centered vertically inside of the header. Vertically, okay.
I'm gonna eat, Daddy. I'm gonna eat, Daddy. I'm gonna eat, Daddy. I'm gonna eat.
What are you gonna eat, baby? You're eating broccoli? Whoa.
It's not funny. It's peas. Who did it?
Yeah?
Who did it?
That is so...
Eat.
I can't believe it.
I did it.
Okay. So there's space between all items, yep. But we don't have space between these yet. I wonder if I have to, or what if we delete this line? Right? Okay, and then we'll, these don't matter. Okay. Let's oh, that's right. Okay. In here, just give it a gap of 5 pixels. See how that works. There we go. Cool. Okay, let's make it 10. Alright, so we got that. You should be able to predict what happens in Flex1. So far, everything you touch is use Flexbox. So display Flex. And if we give the item Flex1, okay. Okay, that won't matter. This don't matter. You're gonna watch Bubble Guppies. Bubble. Guppy, guppy, guppy. Okay, so I got the gap. Just all the way to the left and right. Okay, your solution does not use floats. Inline block. Okay. And we need to push, so space between. So instead of space around, we need to use space between. There we go. And now we need to figure out, is it just because that's too small, or? Because I'm trying to figure out. Alright. Oh, let's see here. Oh, what was that, In the bowl?
And the fork?
In the book?
And the fork? What's the fork doing? It's a fork.
Yeah, it's a cool fork.
It's a green fork.
It's a green fork.
It's a green
Okay, well, at least we got, there's a space, horizontal, centered vertically inside of the header. Okay. Stay at the edge of the, okay, so this is when we need to give these a flex 1 or auto. The background has more thickness. Okay. see if that changes anything. I'm just messing with it. Don't hurt me. Okay, no. It's not gonna change anything. Okay, so the thickness of the background. I know. Okay, so we need to give it more. Oh, that's the same thing. Maybe it was in the previous one? Okay. Oops, wrong thing. Oh, hold on, Ting Ting. Okay, let's go back. Computer basics. I could have swore I did that one, but okay, doesn't matter. Growing and shrinking. Okay. Quick test. What default values is Flex Auto? 1 auto. Let's see. Oh, but that would need to be set to, oops. To the logo. Oh, nope. Oh, that's how far it extends, not the height. Gotcha. So even just adding that did that. Huh. Okay. The motorcycle? Okay, let's see. Okay, that only grows like that. We don't care about that. And that only cares about the width. Okay, so here's the axis. That shouldn't change anything, but okay, because default is a flex is going to be row. Oh, I keep hitting the wrong one. What, baby? You ate enchiladas. Wow. Okay. I don't think that'll matter. Okay, so that would just put them centered like that. Okay. Align content. Space between flex lines on the horizontal axis. think that has the same line content. Flex start. Dang, why is this a lot tougher than I thought? Okay, because we don't need that. Okay. Next, alignment. Okay, and then if we give, put the result on the page. No. No, I want to. Okay. Gotcha. So the UL should give it a flex of 1. No. Damn. Okay, basic concept. 2-axis, main axis, and you can go row, column, reverse, reverse, start, inlines for so flex container. An area of a document laid out using Flexbox is called a flex container. To create a flex container, we set the value of the area's container display property to flex or inline flex. As soon as we do this, okay. Okay, what I'm trying to do right now is, oh yeah, left links and right links are pushed all the way to the left and right. Okay, because I listed the list items are horizontal and vertically centered. The logo, I want to say, is not centered. But if I look here, logo, oh, whoops. The logo is centered actually. Okay. So I mean we're good there then. At least it seems to me. Yeah, I mean it's centered. Oh, you know what? It's not. I mean it seems centered vertically and horizontally. The only thing is that this portion is all the way at the edge. Even if I go like this, it's still past the edge. So I'm trying to figure that out. But then again, it's not perfect. Left links and right links are pushed all the way to the left and right and stay at the edge of the header when the page resides. Well, they do that. Okay, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not perfect then. Huh? But on the outcome, it shows that there's spacing around the logo. So that's what I want. Maybe I have to do display flex and add a justify content space around, right? Maybe? No. Okay, well, I don't want to spend too much time on it. At least I want to see what I did, and then, or see what I have, and then see what it is, right? Did anything change in the HTML? Nothing changed. Oh. Oh, okay, no, nothing changed. Put that over here. Okay. No, cancel. Okay. Oh, so the header we leave alone. And the logo. Oh, no, header we change. But we only mess with the header and the UL, so not the logo. So we don't even touch the logo. And oh, we do. So I was just thinking that I had to use flex flex items, right, for the, but they're using some padding and margin as well. So dang, I didn't even think about that. Okay. So for the UL, that was right. So the display flex was right. Let's start with the header actually. Header. So we had the display flex right, and we had the align item center right, and the space between right. But what we needed to add was padding. Didn't matter about the pixel size, they said, right? Okay, so let's see that. Oh. Okay. So that was the only thing that we missed, was the padding. The padding was the thickness I was talking about. Oh, gotcha. Okay, hold on. I am, these new notes. This is going to be called new notes, and we're going to rename it to, alignment assignment. Okay, and then that way we can kind of padding, thickness, justify content, is horizontal. There we go. Align items equals vertical. Direction, column or row, and then reverses both. What else do we use? Oh, display flex and parent. Let me add some asterisks here. Oop. And give some spacing. Okay. Just to kind of, oh, and gap. Yeah, don't forget gap. Spacing between items. Okay. So, and the header we only missed one thing, which was the thickness that Cycles was talking about, and then in our UL, so we didn't have to even touch, so let's remove that. We didn't need to touch that, and we didn't need to touch the logo, but we added a gap, and so we needed a margin of 0 and padding of 0. Okay, there we go. Really cool. Okay. Okay. Maybe I just need to... That makes a lot more sense now. Can't believe myself. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay, let's move that. Desired outcome. Oh, there's two. Okay, so there's a GIF for it. And then okay, we're starting to sneak in a little more CSS that you haven't seen yet. Don't worry about this for now, we just want things to look a little bit prettier. And this CSS will not interfere with your task. For this one, you will probably need to edit the HTML a little bit. Often, with Flexbox, you need to add containers around things to make them go where you need them to go. In this case, you probably want to separate the items that go on the left and right of the header. Okay, so let's go into our HTML. And let's see what it looks like right now. Okay. And let's just use this, right? So we want the links on this side and okay, Psycho, sounds good. And the buttons on the right. So if we go here, so we'll call this one, oh, oops. Let's add here. Okay, and then all of these lines, do that, and we'll give this one a class of section 1, and what's what, baby? And the buttons on this side, div. Okay. And this one's going to be class of section 2. And, oh, okay. Everything is centered vertically inside of the header. So header is going to need a display of flex. And we're going to justify content center. Okay. Right? Everything is centered vertically inside of the header. There is, oh, centered vertically, sorry. Align items. Okay. Okay, so now we're centered vertically. There is 8 pixels space between everything and the edge of the header. So there's 8 pixels of space between everything and the header. Okay, so we're going to add some padding of 8 pixels. Okay. And items are arranged horizontally as seen in the outcome image. Okay. Flex direction row. Oh. You gotta wake up. Oh, I might have.
You gotta wake up.
You gotta wake up.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Items are arranged horizontally as seen in the outcome image. So. I might not have even needed to.
Hello Kitty sleeping. Why is it saying Hello Kitty?
Okay, so we might need to call upon section 1 and section 2. Justify content, flex, and okay. There we go. Yeah. Hello, Kitty.
He's
Knuckles.
gotta wake up.
It's time to wake up.
He's gotta wake up. He gotta wake up.
Okay, so far so
He's
good.
gotta wake up.
He's trying to wake up, baby.
She's fast asleep.
Oh my goodness.
He's asleep. Oh my,
Let's do flex flow, row, wrap. Okay. No wrap. Dang it. Okay, so we got that. Now we just need to figure out.
Wake up soon.
Okay. Okay.
What the noise, Daddy?
What, baby?
What the noise?
I don't know.
He's very fast asleep.
Okay, hold on. Let me see here. So the logo is like that. Oh, maybe I have to. Hold on, baby. No. Oh, Tina, move, please. Thank you.
What's Tina doing?
Tina is. Okay, cool.
He's in the window. say. You gotta turn on the light.
Okay, see here. Alright, and we need gap. Okay, I think I'm getting it. Right? Let's give it 10 pixels, right? Gap of 10. So, oh, what do we need? Justify content space between. I think we needed justify content. We might be able to. Let's remove that one. And no. Never mind. Remove that. Let me put that back. Okay, space between. This one's flex start, this one's flex end. And this is also going to be flex direction row. Okay. Gap. Okay. There we go. We got a little bit more room. I think so. Let's see. There we go. Pretty cool. See what that GIF looks like again. Okay, so this one's looking pretty good. I think I just needed some more spacing, but it needed to be. Oh, well, no, that's pretty about what I have, right? Okay. I think I got it here. Oh, I should probably do the same thing, right? Just so they both kind of flex to. Really cool. Like it. So I think I'm actually pretty close. Huh? What do you think? Pretty good? Okay. Flex is used to arrange everything. There's 16 pixels between each item on both sides of the header. Oh. Both ends, huh? Excuse me. So we'll also have to add a margin of 16 pixels. It said on between each item on both sides of the header. Okay, so what we could do is we can do 16, 0, 16. Or actually, just that would suffice. Right? Oh no. Oh, no, it's gonna be padding. Whoops. So wait. There's 8 pixel space between everything and the edge of the header. There are 16 pixels between each item on both sides of the header. Okay, maybe I have to add padding inside of
All ready. All ready.
there we go. And let's do that to this side as well. I know it's probably messy, but there we go. Looks good now. So now I should still be able to go like this, and it goes good. Cool. Alright, let's take a look at our CSS. Let's do that and the solution. Okay, so let's look at the solution for the HTML. Oh, okay, cool. I did the same thing except I called it section 1 and section 2. Right, I didn't change anything else. Cool. And then go into the style. Okay, so what did we change? We changed the header. In the header, we added a... Oh, so we didn't even have to add this, huh? Okay, I see that. Left and right. Oh. Okay, so they called it all-in-one. Gave it a display flex. Okay. And so in the header, should have just been space between, padding, and display. We don't need align items. What else should we do? Okay, so we add that, so we're good there. And the UL, we change. We added display of flex, a flex direction of. So we didn't even need a flex direction. What we needed. You want to see your tab? It's charging, baby. Margin of 0 and a padding of 0, and then a gap of 16. I mean, it didn't exactly matter, but right. So if we go back, and we'll change it again. Right here, we call. What if we did a section 1 and section 2? Display of flex and align item center and gap of 16 pixels. Let's see how this comes out. We saved it, right? Okay, so we need to learn that with that we could have called it in one go. Okay. What else? What did we learn in this one? Okay, so the space between and the header. two sections, class them, but call both CSS and gave them the same properties. Okay, so let's go ahead and.
His name is Avi. His name is Avi.
Wow, hi Avi. How are you doing?
Hi, Avi.
Give me a high five.
Hi, Avi.
Hi Avi.
His name is Avi. His name is
Okay,
Avi.
so let's go ahead and start the next one.
Hello. Hello, Avi.
Hello Avi.
Hi, Abby. I want to play her toys. I want to play her toys.
Yeah, those are
Ready?
Control KW, huh? Okay, let's close that. Okay, so we're going to start outcome. So we want it like that. And let's get our, no, not solution yet. Okay, our index and our CSS and our README file. Okay, a very common website feature. The goal of this exercise is to recreate a section that is found on many informational websites. For this one, you'll need to edit the HTML a little bit, too. We can't be making things too easy for you. You want to add containers around the various elements so that you can flex them. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look at what we're doing here. Okay. So we can just give them different okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's give it one big container, right? Let's give it a div and paste that, and then all of this, we're gonna tab it over and okay, so for this, create another div, right? And all of this will just move up in here. And we'll call this one Barberry, right? And then we'll go ahead and kind of do the same thing. Give this one a div. Highlight these two. Move it up. Give this one a class of chili. And then we'll get this one, another div, give this one a class of pepper, and last but not least, another div. Oh, I was reading what that text said at the bottom. Okay. And alright, and then we're gonna call this one class saffron. Boom. Okay, so now we got that, and we have a div, and we're gonna call this one container. Okay. Dot container is going to have a display of flex. Right, so let's see what that does. Boom. Now oh. Okay. Oh no, we can do everything in the container. I think what happened though is I should have put the title outside, right? Because that's its own thing. Okay, let's do that. Right? Okay, and then that way, outside here, we can still give this a display of flex, and then we can also justify content center. Right? Wrong. Center. No. Okay. That don't matter. That don't matter. Okay, maybe I should have put that. There we go. I wonder. Okay, hold on. Let's do this real fast. Let's clear everything that we just did. Because I think what I could have done, let me just change everything here. what I could have done is added display of flex to that, right? To the body, and we're gonna do flex direction column, right? Justify content center. And align items center. Actually, we don't need that one probably. Yeah, we don't need that one. Okay, so we need to align item center, and then okay, so now in here is where we're going to add the div, and I think this is where we need to put all of that in here. If you change the direction to column, justify content starts aligning items vertically. Yeah, that's right. I had forgot about that with flex direction. It changed it. Yeah, it's the flex direction. I had forgotten about it. Honestly. But now I remember. We'll call this class of berries or plants, right? Now we'll call upon plants, and we'll give it a display of flex. Oh, did I just reverse it? Oh, whoops. Okay, well, let's just comment this one out. There we go. Okay, and then we'll see. And okay. Flex direction column. Okay, and then actually I lied. Row. But we need to, so we don't even need to have that. What we do need to have is justify content center and align item center. Right? Oh no. Okay, so maybe their flex direction column. Oh no. Okay, so we want to be like this, but we need the, so the words, so if we go here, oh, I haven't even been going through the checklist really. All items are centered on the page horizontally and not vertically. So we don't need to worry about. Let's remove that. Oh, whoops. Just that one. Okay. And for the plants, we need to go in a row. Right? Isn't there a way I can do adopt plants after? I think it's text, right? No. Okay. So we're good here. Alright, let's look back at that. Okay, that's what we need it to be, but we need it to be... So I might have been right where I had I might have to call, like, I don't know, let's see. Let's kind of make this a little bit more readable. So we'll do that, and that. That, go like that. Okay. And one more time. Okay. And then we'll give each of these their own class of... Okay, and we'll call this... And this be plants. Same thing, and we'll just add this. Okay, hopefully that's that'll be a little bit better. Okay. So plants container. Okay, so now we can call upon dot plants and go to display of flex and flex direction column and okay, and then we'll give the align items center. Okay. Oh, what did I do? And we'll give justify content space between. Goo goo gaga. That doesn't change anything. But I'm actually... Oh, what did I just do? Oh, crud. I was just... Oh, man. Okay. Give me a second. My thing's just not working. Okay. Let's cancel. Damn, I don't remember. Okay, we might not need this anymore. Let's remove that. Right, okay. I'm trying to open a file, not a folder. Yeah, I know, I realize that. That's why I just went that's why I went ahead and just did it with the command, the command line interface. Okay. I'm pretty close, but let's give this some margin, like, I don't know, 15 pixels, and some padding of 15 pixels, and same thing with there we go. Now, I think I got it pretty close. Oh, except I don't have space around. Okay, well, I mean I'm pretty close, but let's see how it's supposed to go. Okay. That was tough. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. So solution in here. Okay, let's look at the... Oh, wait, before we even look at that, just close that. Okay. Put the readme on this side. All items are centered on the page, horizontally, not vertically. The title is centered on the page. Okay. There's 32 pixels between the title and the items. There's 52 pixels between each item. The items are arranged horizontally on the page. The items are only 200 pixels wide, and the text wraps. Now let's take a look. Okay, so that's pretty good, right? Or maybe it was just, instead of it being title where you at, it's, instead of the top would be 0. Or we could just do, hold on. Forgot, we can just call it 32. You can use margin bottom too. I was just thinking that actually. Good call. Yeah, I was literally just thinking, I'm like, okay, wait, I could just use margin bottom. Okay, and I can remove the padding. Right. There we go. Okay. 32 pixels between the items, 52 pixels between each. So now we have our gaps in between. So what did we have before? Margin, flex, align items, center, column, justify content. Plant container goes in a row, plants go in the column. Okay. I think I'm good. I think I made it. Yep, just, oh, except, no, that's good. At least I hope so. Okay, so now let's look at the solution. So let's go here into our, okay, so, oh, so title was separate. Okay, so we did that. And then we made a container. Ah, okay, instead of calling it info, we called it plants. So that was good. We did good there. So we made a big container, put all the small items in there, and then we made them all into little containers. So they're all little items. Let's go to the CSS. Now, I didn't even have to add anything to the body. So let's remove that, right? So mainly was we didn't touch any of that. Oh, whoops. So all we did to the body was text align center. That was it. Okay. We didn't mess with the footer. But okay, so we added text align center to the body. To the title, we added a margin bottom, 32 pixels. Okay. In our plant container, we added a display flex, justify content center, so we didn't even need that, and gap of 52 pixels. So our main plant container only needed 3 properties, which was display flex, justify content center, and gap of 52 pixels. And then inside of our info, all we needed to add was max width of 200 pixels. That's it. No way. Oh man. Okay, so everything was done inside of the plant container. So I did all of that for a super easy solution. But I guess it was the process that counts, right? Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna stop here for just a little bit. I'm gonna play with my daughter. I've been on this for 2 hours now, so it's playtime. I hope everyone has an amazing day. Thank you for joining me, psychos. I'll be back in a little bit. I won't be too long. I'm just gonna play with her for a little bit and then finish up the rest of the flex layouts or the flex assignments. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna finish up. I'll be back soon. But obviously, everyone, you got a life. I got a life. But take care, and I'll see you in a little while. Obviously.